we can guide you. This is very good for skin, and we have a lot of women using this. We have Jin Amber. All right, I showed her video a while ago. She's totally mind blown. You can check her YouTube. She's a beauty expert, and she said this device is truly mind blowing. We've got celebrities, lawyers, and doctors using this, all right, for their health and for the skin. Clearing blockages in the area of the body. Oh, look at this. This guy has a blockage. Again, blockage equals pain. The good thing about this device is it can detect if there is a blockage. Just like this guy, he has a blockage on his upper left side of his chest. And when this guy started blowing on that area, he begins to experience that pain. All right. Now, this is not being tortured. This is to show to you that the device can show you if there's a blockage. And when you start blowing, there is pain. What should I do, Nathan? Drink a lot of warm, charged water. This glass of water, we charge it. Okay, I charge it with the wand and make sure it's warm and start drinking of that. All right, drink a lot of that before the therapy and after the therapy and start blowing. Take it easy. Once the blockage is clear, there will be no more pain. Okay, now it activates the stem cells in the bone marrows. We have a lot of sleeping, hibernating stem cells, adult stem cells free in our bone marrows. This is what Hippocrates said. If there's a way to hit the bones, when you activate these dormant stem cells, blowing the Iteracare, wanding your spine, 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes on your spine. Again, it activates all these hibernating stem cells, and the brain will direct, all right? You go to the liver, you got to replace that old liver right there, the sick kidney right there, and it start to replace old kidneys and livers, all right? And organs in the body. One day, if you keep blowing this every single day on your spine, you will have a brand new lung, a brand new kidney, brand new physical body. And this is what Hippocrates said, right? Heating the bones, and what Albert Einstein said, you heat the bones using frequency. Guys, we have decoded the secret to being young and healthy body using the Iteracare, right? This revolutionary device has passed through strict tests for safety, efficacy, and human clinical reports. We got all the tests, and it says patented. All right, we have direct access to our scientists and our manufacturer. In fact, we're the only one in the world that is appointed by the Shang, the original, the authentic. The scientist has appointed us to be the only world distributor. So if you see any device in the internet, in Amazon, Lazada, eBay, they are called fakes. And we have tested them. We have tested them. There is no terahertz. It is a total waste of your money. Don't buy them. Because, why? The difference is we have done 6 years of research and development before we release this to the market. I can give you a guarantee that your device can work, and it is proven. So don't get the fakes one, the knockoffs, all right? Get the right one for your money and for your health, all right? This is also used to charge your water. Now remember, once you charge the water here, the water's frequency becomes a very low frequency. It has 7.8 hertz, very, very low, meaning it changes the molecular structure from a cluster, microcluster, to a linear chain, straight chain water molecules. When it's straight chain water molecules, it's directly entering into your body cells. All right, water channels into your body cells. This kind of water hydrates your body ultra fast. All right, it is more stable. It can neutralize the free radicals. So how do you charge? Just want your water 2, 3, 5 minutes. All right, a glass of water, you want it for at least 1 minute, and you will notice wonderful effect. And in fact, we have videos that showed you that even this guy who made a video here, and I want you to see that, he won the water. All right, so he's using plastic. You're not supposed to be using plastic, but he does not know. He used a plastic, but it doesn't matter. He just drank the water, used the plastic, and look at this, from clustered blood cells, from that state, and he won this for 30 seconds only, not even 1 minute, and you can see the effect. This is the blood picture actually, but look at this video here. He took a video. It's truly amazing because even the blood cells started to separate from, look at that. Look, from that state, it went into a, wonderful state of fasting, wonderful, right? Separated, more healthy. So this water molecule structure, which is linear, there's a lot of good benefits in your physical body. So drink this type of water. According to this water doctor, he said, don't drink any water that is not structured. How do you structure the water? Charge it with Iteracare. All right. Now, 1 hour of Iteracare therapy is equivalent to 10 times of acupuncture, 20 times of cupping, 30 times of gua sha, and 40 times of massage. Amazing. These are the benefits when you heat the body. It boosts your immune system, increases your temperature to 1 degree using Iteracare. It can boost your immunity up to 5 times. Blood flow increases, metabolizes waste products, good for tissues, correct? Connective tissues in the body, relaxes your muscle fibers, joint stiffness, and it's a powerful painkiller. It can be used for your pets, even for your vegetables and fruits. And look at this little birdie here. I just love this video. Look at this birdie here. He's not even resisting. You know, Itercare is very loud. Huh? It's loud. Shh. But this birdie doesn't care about the noise. It was relaxing, relaxing. The frequency relaxes the body of your pets. All right. Don't use your hair dryers anymore because hair dryers is linked to acute insomnia, Alzheimer's, loss of hearing, chronic depression, cardiac problems, diabetes, and cancer. Why? Because of high levels of bad radiation. So use Iteracare to dry your hair. We don't recommend this for pregnant and menstruating, congenital heart disease, if you have objects in your body, particularly the eyes. All right, just to give you one story here. One of our friend, she does not know she has a lens implanted in her eyes, and she started blowing. The lens reacted with the terahertz and the heat. It started to expand. Now she's having a hard time looking because it affected her vision. And thank God we told her to charge the water, put it in a mist, and started blowing on her eyes. Now it's getting better again. But that's a good note, something we have to learn. Do not blow this on areas of the body, particularly the eyes, where you have implanted objects like lens, LASIK, surgery, like, pacemaker, because they expand. And once they expand, it's going to be a problem. That's how powerful this device is. If you have titanium, silicon, please don't blow it there. You got to skip that, bypass that. Blow it areas in your body where there's no object, okay? Not also good for open wounds and fractured bones. Now, for optimum results, refer to blowing guide manual. We have a manual. We can give it to you. Read that before you use a device. Don't use a device in the tub. Don't wet the device, okay? That's very important. Even the cable wires, you got to be mindful. Again, this is an appliance, all right, and you got to be very mindful. Now, these are testimonies. I'm going to be very quick. We've got paralyzed here. You can see this old lady had a stroke, right? Paralyzed for months, unable to move. And after 8 days of blowing, you can see she started to lift her both legs and started kicking in the air. We have here, after the 53rd day, she said, I think I can start to walk. With the use of walker, she started walking. And guess what? Today, she's walking very normal and very powerful effect on her physical body. All right. We've got Bell's palsy and two more here. This lady, all right, let's go back there. This is Bell's palsy. All right, you can see after 8 days of therapy, you can see that this lady's twitching is gone. It's supposed to be a video and it's not moving. But anyways, there's another one here, two more. All right, this is after 2 weeks to a month. Look at the tumor. The lump has gone after blowing it for 2 weeks minimum to a month's time. That's amazing. We have also Alzheimer's disease. It's very powerful for people who are agitated. We have some problems in your brain waves. People have psychosis. People have ADHD, all these mental brain problems, brain fogging. Again, it helps calm the body because this frequency is good to relax the brain's frequency. It's also good for people who have rheumatism and arthritis. This lady used the Iteracare Pro, and after 15 minutes, it restored the circulation and movement of the muscles and tissue. Look at her eyes. She started to almost cry. She couldn't believe she can close her hands again after just blowing for 15 minutes. That's what's amazing here. We are paralyzed. I like this testimony because this guy is unable to walk. And the doctor said, we can amputate this leg. All right. diabetes and a lot of problem. And after 5 days, you can see the difference from a dark leg, it becomes lighter. You can see the blood start to flow, life begins to flow. Again, it activates the cells, resonates with the cells. And look at that. After 15 treatments, this guy started to walk. We have thyroid nodules, all right? You can see the lump size reduced after 10 therapies. This is Mike. Mike has a lot of problem. And 15 minutes of blowing this on Mike's hand, his right hand, he started to lift it up, starting at 80% higher because of the Iteracare's wonderful frequency. We have weight management. If you want to lose weight, you don't have to exercise, okay? This is good, but this is 2 months, 4 months, 20 days of therapy. You can see the results, amazing results. Now you have to focus. How many minutes, Nathan? Well, 10, 15 minutes, morning and before you sleep. You got to dedicate, commit, okay? Blow it there again. It removes toxins and excess fats and water retention. We've got wonderful testimonies all over the world, all right? Especially for skin. This device is so amazing, all right? You can see severe psoriasis after 2 months. Look at that. This little girl has severe psoriasis. And after 4 months of using the Pro, look at her baby's skin is back. 3 years of skin disorder got better after 4 days. We have a scalp psoriasis and vitiligo. I never thought vitiligo is going to get better. But using the Iteracare Pro, look at that. It fares off the skin. Amazing. We've got instant result from aging in beauty salons. Look at that. Dark spots reduced after first therapy. Now, this is 30 minutes of blowing on the face. You can see wrinkles reduced, dark spot reduced. There is a glowing effect on the skin. This is what the optical tube, all right, the quartz, the 100 minerals, the electrons that excites, it increases the aura in the physical body, and it is obviously seen on the face. You can try this. You can try this. Do this. We've got a lot of amazing results on the skin. This is Miss Ida Patana. And I want you to read this. You know, this is not just a sort of fury. This is an established science. There is a city data done by doctors and scientists that they're using terahertz for coronavirus infection. All right. This is in the data. All right. Let me go back to that. And they have seen wonderful results. That's why Ida Patana, after using the device for 40 minutes, blowing on her back and on her chest, she was able to breathe comfortably, and after a few minutes she started to dance. It's amazing for people with pneumonia. This is not some sort of theory. This is established science, and a lot of peer reviews have done this to show to you that Iteracare device is good for people with coronavirus. Breast cancer. Now I'm going to show you here. Now this does not cure. We don't say it cures cancer, but we've got a lot of testimonies with people with cancer. In fact, there is another research and science article that was done on June 2nd, 2020, reviewed by James Ive, all right? And he said that terahertz radiation may offer a potential treatment for cancer. So again, this is not some sort of theory. This is again a science that doctors, scientists are using terahertz for cancer. As you can see, this lady, after 22 days of using the device, 90% of the pain relieved and 30% of the lump reduced. I'm not saying it's going to cure cancer, but again, it's great for people who are in pain because of cancer. Try it. There is no harm. All right. Use the Iteracare, blow it where the area is, there's cancer, and start seeing good results. It's also very good for eye problem. Blow this directly on the eyes. Dr. K said, close your eyes, allow the moisture inside the eyes to do its amazing wonders. Close your eyes. Don't use contact lens, by the way. Make sure you don't have any lens implanted in your eyes. No eyeglasses. Start blowing this. These are the good results. Improves the eyesight. Look at this, before and after. Glaucoma, look at that. Amazing case. All right, improved because of the Iteracare. We have red eye problem after 1 week of treatment. Look at that. It revives the eye muscles and tissues. This is what the device can do. We have kidney failure. Two guys here. We have Jayasuda, a 74-year-old man, with dialysis in dialysis 3 times in a week, and Uganda also from India 2 to 3 times of dialysis. You can look at this creatinine level, guys. In 2 months' time, 7.18, it went to 4.41. From 8.2 creatinine, it went to 2.8 using the Iteracare device. Now, this is drinking a lot of charged water. This is what Itercare can do in the kidneys. Amazing. Osteoporosis, 93-year-old lady with severe osteoporosis. All right. She was bedridden after 2 months of therapy. You can see her. She's doing now her track cycling. All right. And that's what the Iteracare can do. So if you have your grandparents and parents, they're still alive, I always encourage and challenge you, give Iteracare as a gift to your parents if they're still alive. Give this Iteracare to your grandparents if they're still alive. Don't let them pay for it, please. Please give it to them. Explain to them. Like, let them use it. It will give them wonderful, amazing results for their health, because a lot of our old folks are having a lot of pain already. You don't know. All right. So give this gift to them. It will be amazing. Users, I'm gonna skip that. And all right, before we